talk about what the parts are that we're putting in your mouth. And the little things glued onto your teeth, those are called brackets. These in the back that go all the way around, those are called bands. When something too hard hits the band or bracket, it will actually cause a little fracture in the glue, and it will sometimes pop off right then and there, like if you get hit in the face with an elbow. Or sometimes you'll just be sitting like watching TV, and you'll feel it give, and people will think, well, I was just watching TV, so it just came off. Well, that's true, but it came off because of the fracture in the glue from earlier. Does that make sense? So what's really important is that if one breaks, that you call the office, because you can see how we had to isolate all this. There's a lot of steps. And most of your regular visits don't require this much time. So that's why if one breaks, even if it's 5 minutes before a regular appointment, you still want to call, because we really hate to have you come in and then basically send you on the way, because we needed more time to be able set aside to be able to do all of this. Because it's really important that we get them on just so that treatment looks good when we're done and goes really smoothly. The other thing is there's typically 3 wires that you go through. The first one is the one you'll get today, and if something breaks in that wire, it's not an emergency, but we still do want you to call. But you don't have to think or worry that it's going to keep you in braces longer. But the last 2 wires, it can definitely affect how long you're in braces. So again, it's important to call, but don't panic if it's the first wire. And actually the first month that you have your braces on, we know you might have one come loose, and it could be because a little bubble got on your tooth and contaminated it, which isn't your fault. Or you're just learning how to eat or talk or brush. So after that, though, there are charges for breakages. And some people have no breakages, so it's nothing to worry about. Just want you to know what's going on if you feel it. Okay? All right.